Hey there, in today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between ChatGPT and Google. Both are AI-powered tools that perform a variety of tasks, but they have their differences. So let's dive in. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's a type of AI that can understand and generate human-like language. This means it's great for generating text-based content such as chatbot conversations, automated customer service responses, and even creative writing. Google, on the other hand, is a technology company that uses AI to power its search engine, as well as other products like Google Assistant and Google Translate. It uses a variety of AI techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to perform a wide range of tasks. One of the main differences between ChatGPT and Google is the type of AI they use. ChatGPT is based on a neural network, which is modeled after the way the human brain works. This allows it to understand and generate language in a way that is more similar to how humans do it. On the other hand, Google's AI uses a variety of techniques, which makes it more versatile. It can understand search queries, recognize speech, translate languages, and more. Another difference between ChatGPT and Google is their accessibility. ChatGPT is an open-source tool, which means that anyone can use it and even contribute to its development. On the other hand, Google's AI is proprietary, which means that it's owned and controlled by Google. Finally, ChatGPT and Google differ in their usage. ChatGPT is primarily used for generating text-based content, while Google is used for a variety of tasks. So which one should you use? It really depends on your needs. If you're looking to generate text-based content, then ChatGPT might be the right choice for you. But if you need a versatile AI tool that can perform a variety of tasks, then Google is probably the way to go. And that's a wrap on the differences between ChatGPT and Google. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.